Hello and welcome to another of our trading tutorials. This one in particular is on expert advisors, and what I would like to talk to you about is exactly how to change the inputs once you've installed the expert advisor on. For the purpose of our tutorials, you will notice that we're using what is called a test robot within MetaTrader 4 broker platform. Your EA will most likely be called something else, so just supplement your other EA name for the test robot name that I have here. Now, when you initially install your EA onto a chart, as you can see here, this chart is a blank chart. It does not have a smiley face in the top right hand corner. It does not have an EA installed on this chart. If I was to go back to my navigator panel, down under the expert advisor folder where my robots or list of robots resides, if I double click on that, there it pops up with a list of inputs. Now it may come up with the common tab first, but let's just look at the inputs tab this time. Now if you are wanting to change your inputs at this stage when you're actually initially installing the EA onto your chart, you would do it at this time. So you may want to change a few details here. Let's just change the lot setting to 5 and change the money management to false, for example. Now we click OK. And as you can see, our robot is correctly installed here. It has a smiley face, so it is ready to start taking trades. Now if at a time after we've done the installation we want to change the inputs again, a lot of people incorrectly go back to the navigator panel and double click on the EA here. What is happening, as you can see here, the inputs haven't changed, and that is because they are opening up a brand new robot. They are not opening up the robot that we have just placed onto the Great British Pound chart over here. What you need to do is double click on the smiley face on each individual chart to change each individual EA depending on how many charts you have that on. If we double click here, we can see that we have our settings where we change the money management to false and the 5